Today, I'm going to show you how to move a selection across multiple layers in Photoshop, a super handy skill that can really speed up your workflow and help you keep your projects organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to select several layers at once, move them together as a group, and even use grouping tools to make complex edits easier and more intuitive. Let's jump straight in and get started. First, we need to select the layers we want to move. In your Layers panel, hover over the layers you'd like to select. If you're on Windows, hold down the Control key. If you're using a Mac, it's CMD. While holding that key, just click each layer you want to move. You'll see each selected layer highlight as you click, which lets you know they're all ready for action. This is perfect when you want to move specific individual elements. Say, you've got 3 photos stacked in different spots, and you want to adjust them all at the same time without disturbing anything else. Alternatively, if your layers are all in a row, maybe you've created several adjustment layers or text layers, one after another, you can select that whole range in one go. Click the first layer, hold down the Shift key, then click the last layer in your range. Photoshop will instantly highlight everything in between, saving you a lot of clicking. This trick is especially helpful when you're working with lots of similar layers. For instance, organizing layers for a website layout, or shuffling elements in a multi-part graphic. Now that you've got your layers selected, you're ready to move them. But before you start pushing things around, you'll need the Move tool. Head over to the toolbar and select the Move tool, or simply tap the V key on your keyboard as a shortcut. The cursor should change to a 4-pointed arrow, signaling you're ready to reposition your selection. With the Move tool ready, click anywhere on your canvas, specifically on any part of the selected layers, then drag to move. You'll see all the selected elements shift together, maintaining their relative arrangement as you reposition them. This makes uniform moving a breeze. Imagine you've designed a row of icons or buttons, and now you want to nudge them all a few pixels to the left. Instead of moving each one individually and risking uneven spacing, you can shift them all as a single unit. Take your time and watch the preview as you drag. It's a good way to catch mistakes early. For even better layer management, you can create a group. At the bottom of your Layers panel, click the folder icon to make a new group. Photoshop automatically places your selected layers inside this group. Grouping layers isn't just about tidiness, it's about control. Think of it like putting related items in a box. You can carry them together, hide them together, or apply effects across all of them at once. For example, say you've got several layers making up a logo. Grouping lets you move the whole logo as one piece, no matter how many elements are inside. Once your layers are grouped, moving them is even easier. Just click the group folder in your Layers panel so it's selected. Then, with the Move tool activated, drag the group wherever you need. The whole collection will move together, just like sliding a tray of cupcakes instead of individually moving each one. Don't worry if the process feels a little slow at first. Once you get the hang of selecting and grouping, it'll become second nature. And that's it. You've mastered moving selections across multiple layers in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, tap that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.